This is the DJI Phantom 2 Vision Plus drone. Now, you've probably seen this before. If it looks familiar, it's because they're everywhere. It's one of the most popular drones on the planet right now, and for good reason. This version of the Phantom comes with just about everything you would want in a drone. It's got automatic flight stabilization, a battery that lasts about 25 minutes, and a range that goes to about 2,000 to 2,500 feet. On top of that, it's also got a 3-axis gimbal for super smooth video that shoots in 1080p, and best of all, this is just a blast to fly. Hands down, this is one of the easiest drones to pilot out of the box that we've ever tried. It's extremely responsive, the controls feel very natural in your hands. It's almost athletic how responsive they are. We had a good time just taking it out to the park and just buzzing it around, but it could be used for any number of different things. This would be a great system for just aerial photography and videography. It's got enough range that you can fly it really far away without having to worry. And if you do go out of range, it also has fail-safes built in. It'll take over and fly it back to you. You don't have to worry about crashing it into the river. The controller is one of the more interesting parts of this drone. Unlike a lot of other drones where you might see a screen built into it, this one comes with a little clip and it's designed to work with your existing cell phone. The cool thing about that is that you don't have to pay extra for a lot of LCD tech to be built into the controller. To transmit video from the drone's camera back to your phone, it uses a range extender, so it can kind of beef up your cell phone's Bluetooth connectivity and get it to the point where it can reach anywhere from 500 to 700 meters away. So you can fly this drone really far out and still see exactly what the drone is seeing. This setup that we've been playing with right here goes for about $1,100, but the beauty of it is that DJI makes a bunch of different models that all fly exactly like this, and you can just customize them with different add-ons. So depending on what you choose to add to your drone, it can cost anywhere from $700 at the base model up to anywhere from $1,300. We had an absolute blast taking this thing out and whipping it around the park, and we are excited to take it out and see what else we can shoot with it.